Hey everybody, just wanted to make a really quick video to show you how to remove this rear headrest. This was not easy. It's funny, it's got these two detents, right? These push buttons, but they're not the same. And that's kind of what's confusing, I think, when you're first thinking about removing it, is you're thinking you're just supposed to push it to be flush with that surface. And you are, because you see there's a little piece of metal right there that you're pushing back that would normally catch in that indentation in that stud right there, right? The problem is this one is different. This one isn't sticking out. So to push that in, you actually kind of need a tool. And I used just kind of a prying tool that I have. And you need to push that one further in than it would look like that. So you're actually pushing it all the way in order to remove it. And even then it takes, and I may be wrong, because I think if you push it really properly and you pull it out, it probably comes out really easy, but I used a ton of force. Didn't break anything. Luckily, it's super well made. I mean, everything here is pretty awesome. So why would you want to remove that, you're probably asking? Well, if you're trying to put a child seat in that's taller than like the headrest, which most child seats are, this prevents the child seat from going all the way back, so that the child seat is sitting really proud of the seat itself, which really sucks. So the other surprise is I got a RIVIAN R1T. I'll do a more thorough video, but let's see. I know you guys love when I wear flip-flops in my videos. That's what everybody just loves. But yeah, here she is. Just kind of the worst way to photograph it. I don't have my charger yet, so it's like literally plugged into like the wall regularly, which gives you like maybe 20 miles a day. It's pretty pathetic. My charger gets here today. These doors, by the way, you have to shut these really hard. And explanation was given. I'll cover all that in a different video. But yeah, this is my new truck. I am super happy with it so far. Spent about 20 minutes trying to get this headrest off. So hopefully that video helps you. If you're looking for removing the headrest from your R1T, there it is. That sucker took forever to get off. So yeah, and you see that little indentation there? That's because I installed the child seat without removing it. And so that's how hard it pushes on that. Yep. Hope that really helped you out. It was still easier than removing it from my Gladiator. So didn't require tearing the back seat apart. So yeah. All right. Click that subscribe button, because I'm going to be doing a ton of these R1T videos.